It's pretty cool. I'm open up the price.
I love it. sir. Good. I'm trying to sell one of my bikes.
In my area, so you can figure the whole station. Oh, yeah.
It was built those in 67, but they were $99. The rest of them were $139.
Have $40.
And then when Jim, there was.
We wouldn't talk until we get money. And I had
He just asked me, do I got $40?
You got $40? You gotta go get your granddad.
My granddad bought all you.
Yeah, we're not talking granddad, we're talking West.
right. Why you asking me questions if you get money?
My granddad money is not.
I see it.
They're really cool. Well, basically, they've quit and we don't know how to. What do you think that is? Oh, look at these bike things from the front of bikes. Kind of like furnace holders.
Yeah.
Furnace. So who's first in this? Yes. Backlights are skulls.
You know what you have to do to get there and grab my microphone.
Everybody's huge bikes, so they have a lot of
Ponderosa. Oh, look what's this.
$170 for these.
Are you kidding me? Look at this.
Close it out. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. Oh, Lord. There's a BB guns and it's always set up like this.
My buddy has they can't fix it. This guy is he's a real good
Those would be cute on the wall. Wouldn't they? This one's made out of a light kind of leather.
and he
Oh,
said
that
he's
one is
still
too
gonna
easy.
drive this. We're gonna kill somebody.
You know what? I have a whole bunch of keys like this at home. But you don't, so you can sell them, huh? What are they for?
I can get you more worried about driving home. Like, you can't see.
we don't have a key for ours either. Little lock, all frozen in time. Seems pretty reasonable for $2, doesn't it? No, I don't want
You know when
it,
there's
but-
something that you see like that, you
Well, I don't
always
know,
buy
but-
it. What would you do with it?
I don't know, I just thought it seemed
Put it on a
reasonable.
purse?
No, I'd probably hang it on the wall.
Little lock.
All right, yeah, that is a cool one. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Thank you.
Would you be very kind enough to please relocate your vehicle so others can leave?
I wonder how much they are.
I bet it's affordable.
I don't think we're gonna get it. It's a toy that I should have saved when I was a kid.
Well, do you remember it?
No.
We have selected our winners for Best Restored, Best Preserved, and runner-ups. So if you kindly join us in Building 8, we have some awards to present.
There's Bobo the biker.
Bobo the bike. I don't like that. Look at that lock. Is that a lock? It's a bit morbid, don't you think? Somebody will want it. That one was over in that.
The stuff that you collect on your
Dresser.
Yep.
This will be the next lock for the gate. No?
There's a little pony. Look there.
Oh my gosh! He's not as old as you think. He's gonna be.
We are going to be presenting our joiners, and we appreciate them bringing such a fine selection of items. I'd like to begin with the best preserved categories.
I want to get one of these.
Your envelope, please. Our runner-up this year
Well, I already got
for
one. I don't know
best
if I need
preserved.
So somebody sat back there and the kids wrote up there.
Since 1998, we have given out over $12,000 in prize money for Classic Bike of the Year.
It's sensational. I like it.
So our runner-up for best preserved this year is Larkin Lynn's 1956
What year is that?
Elgin Robin. So Larkin,
They used
you would
it's
please
just the
join
guy
us.
who sell them, and they used to give them away on Art Linkletter show. So
Oh, no kidding.
they're like the '60s, you know.
Wow.
I like it.
For best preserved, first place, and we'd like to make that presentation to Sean Sweeney in his 1938 Huffman Firestone. Congratulations, Sean.
That'd be so cool if you had a place to set it in your house with a little teddy bear on it. Handmade something teddy bear. Oops. That's okay. There must be to be riding town.
I've never seen one of these. What year did they make that?
I believe that's a 1980,
You know? Kidding.
81.
Okay, now we're going to move to the restored
You familiar with them?
category.
These are really unique because
And
it's not a Kickstart. It lines up
the runner-up in the restored category
and you release it here.
Oh, wow.
also
turns motor over.
I've never seen that.
I thought it was broke at first.
Haha.
I didn't think the crank worked. And then I pulled that, just messing with it.
That's definitely vintage.
Pretty cool.
But this is the right place for it.
Let's finish looking.
Is this you here?
$100.
Did it have the holster and all?
Like that?
A little unicorn.
Like the unicorn?
I gotta admit,
Okay.
this is one of the
Okay.
craziest
Take
places
a
I've
peek
Let's see the unicorn too.
ever seen, and it's the
How much is it?
$5.
Okay.
nicest cycle.
Sold.
And that one,
I got it.
sold by John Mack, is something very rare. Quite different.
Kinda looks like a Jaguar.
No, it was ice on the ground in my parking lot behind my building, behind my barn.
Trixie Fink.
Oh,
What's that? Barn?
Trixie Fink. Look at her face.
you know what size is it?
It's a large.
You could wear it.
I probably could, but how much is it? Do you remember these?
Oh yeah.
That one's cute too, though. Which I would like that one, but
That one is 50 and that one's 35.
okay.
It's cool.
That's weird, Tyler. Okay. Are they wood?
Yes.
They're wood.
I need to find out. I need to get the other.
No, it's rubber.
Swap out.
Swap out
Look at that one's got its original ones on it
Got a
too.
wooden handle.
the hub will be the same, I bet you. The back of the pickup truck, so I'll put it right back where it came from.
That's cute.
Just the stuff in the boxes. I have a shelf. I collect Schwinn stuff and Whizzer stuff. So like, right. I'm okay with that though. Yeah. Well, I've seen people working through this stuff all day and it's like, right. The boxes.
First time here.
Like in your car. Oh, see, there's another one. Look, it's change holders.
$150 for that.
Yeah, I'll bet you hold one. Look, this one's a whole compact. Interesting, interesting. Isn't it? People's dresser store. This belt buckle. Must be one for polka, not polka. What is that?
Ballroom dancing.
No, is that what it is? They look like they're skating.
Oh, okay.
This guy. $50. Wonder how much it costs. Oh, look.
The announcer's microphone.
Yeah. What's this? For like a boat? You know what I'm
That's a master bike line.
It's like David's house. It's $18. I really used to have a baseball bat. I never played baseball.
Little doodads.
Oh, like pieces of rock and creatures.
What do these things do?
No idea. Oh, probably a letter opener, isn't it? Maybe. Don't you wonder what's in there? Studs, it says. Interesting. The stuff that Grandma always had in their on their dressers.
Ready to call first name.
Jeff lit it on fire.
Oh yeah, that one.
I remember my dad wearing ones like that one.
For best unrestored bicycle original.
Look at the pin that goes on somebody's, from that time. Oh, it's written on here. Aren't these those things that they used to put on? Those are really cool. Little Buddhas.
To keep this moving a little bit.
I know what that is. It's a clicker, and I remember having one when I was a kid.
Early classic.
Huh? Tootsie Pop chocolate drops.
1896 Stoker Phoenix model 8 along with the John Chipotle.
Makes this makes the tubes. Yeah, the tubes. I've seen the lighter weight ones. I didn't think much of them. Yeah, there was a nice one that sold last year. I remember when it sold for like I have lost it.
I hope everybody saw the little model that her husband made of her Skyline.
Or stay with the guys on that. Say 50.
Look at the little pixie. No training. Oh, you dame nana.
So let's see if you're with us right now. It is right here.
They cut us loose and they're in. Now they have that many
These are the deals, yeah.
But as long as I'm there by, they let us run at 5. There's enough people that go to their spots. I get my spot pretty close. Within 1 or 2 spots. Opposite side of the road.
Oh, yeah, they got all of them.
There's a lot of stuff.
Half the price.
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Paramount popped up. There is a bowl, and now I got Tim sitting around the house. Can't wait for somebody to get there. Well, girls should grab on the flight.
Middlebury, Indiana. Yeah, just 30 miles east of South
There must have been a delivery or something over there. See that great big basket?
Exactly. Yeah, that's us.
I had a meeting with a guy that was sure doing what really
Hasn't been here in a while, but
Enjoy love to have that for his garage.
Yeah, maybe. Look at this.
Hey Joe, I bet you'd like this.
It has prices on it. Knickerbocker.
does he have a phone?
I think those are $5 each. Oh, okay.
$5
Thank
each?
you.
take a nap.
This is very cute.
What old people do, right? Yeah. Every opportunity. All right, we'll see you. See you. I started to see like the anxiety, and she was
It's 30.
I went through all this stuff.
$50 each.
Right.
It's there though. I gotta stop by.
It's an exact one. They didn't come with keys either. But they're cool.
Want another version?
Nope. I like mine. They have really cool letters. Oh my. Almost lost the fight. Wagon. Radio flying wagon. Must have all its stuff inside of it. It's gotten worn out while it's in the package. Pretty interesting, huh? It's gotten rusted.
That's original wagon, never put together from the 50s. Believe it or not.
Wow.
The paint's like that because it was sitting in a barn that didn't really have much of a roof on it. And then it was in a box, obviously you can see, and then somebody wrapped it in saran wrap, but the tires, you can look on the inside, have never even touched the ground. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
But I'm not really that crazy about wagons. If I had one, I'd probably use it instead of...
You ain't to even touch it. The paper and everything like it is, you just...
Yeah, look at this. There's a...
Here, you can look in there. Look,
Oh,
I can't hurt nothing. Go like this. Look at the mice were in there.
Yeah, I was looking
Look at this. Never even hit the ground. And look, they had phenolic. So you know it was well built.
Yeah.
It's all in there.
Cool.
How much?
$100.
$100.
That's giving it away.
Yeah.
But I'd like to see somebody who would enjoy it or appreciate it, you know?
Yeah.
I'd want to leave it just like that, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
Better wear one of them Burka things like them A-Rap cons so you can't see how pretty he is. It's like chasing that bitch all over town.
There's a thing on Facebook they show that Bruce Jenner on the Wheaties box. They say whatever 1970s, and they say 2014. They show Bruce Jenner on the Fruit Loops box.
Now that was funny. That's a good one.
It's hilarious.
This way. All right. We'll see you next year.
Gotta wait till you're 65.
What's that? What is that?
It's awesome on steak.
Like, Mom, I like touch it.
Just seeing away from you, get one of these. A nice wheel without big bucks. Whatever you guys work out, that's always good. They actually, they're very close. I think if you have it all the way forward, you take hold. Yeah, they do that,
Oh, wizard.
Oh, yeah.
And their side things.
2-mile truck. 28 engine.
They didn't have bearings back all the time.
I haven't tried. I didn't want to. I have like I said, I have another top. I just don't think my top's bigger.
Cheetos! It's a Cheetos one. Cheetos cat eats it, rides it. There's some that they found that they must have been just sitting in barns forever. Look at them.
Yeah.
You sure you don't know?
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.